How to recover a deleted Snapchat account before or after 30 days. So if you want to recover your deleted Snapchat account before or after 30 days, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So if it's been more than 30 days, then Snapchat's policy is a little trickier because unfortunately, you cannot recover or reactivate a Snapchat account if it has been deleted for more than 30 days. After this grace period ends, Snapchat permanently deletes your account data, including your friends, streaks, snaps, and memories from their servers. You cannot restore your account itself, but you have some remaining options for your partial recovery, which is camera roll or cloud. If you previously enabled automatic backup of your Snapchat memories to your phone's camera roll or your cloud storage, you will still have access to those saved photos or video. You'll be able to rebuild connections or reclaim your username, but you won't get that exact account back. You'll have 30 days grace period, and it's not been above 30 days, then you will be able to recover your account. So in order to recover your account, what you need to do is just simply go with your login page and log into your account. But please note that you cannot change your password or use your email address or your phone number to log into your account while it's deactivated. Only you can reactivate your deactivated account. Snapchat support cannot reactivate it for you. And permanently deleted accounts cannot be reactivated at all. So after you deactivate or delete your account, you will have 30 days to download your data. If you do not log in or download your data within the first 30 days, then your data will be permanently deleted after 60 days. So to reactivate your account, simply go with your Snapchat login page, enter your username, your email address, and then your password and log into your account. Once you've logged in, it will reactivate your account. It was that easy. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.